Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Want to create 100 Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts in 3 minutes? Let me show you exactly how to do it. First, open ChatGPT and ask it to generate 100 motivational quotes in Excel format. Once you have the quotes, then download the file as a CSV. Now head over to Canva. In the search bar, type animated quotes. Pick any design you like. I'm going with this one, but feel free to get creative. Click on Apps. Search for Bulk Create. Upload your CSV file. Then, right-click on the quote text, choose Connect Data, and select the data from your file. Now hit Continue and press Generate. Your 100 animated quote videos are ready in just a few clicks. Before downloading, make sure to select Download as separate pages. This will give you individual files for each quote. That's it! You just created 100 Reels in 3 minutes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick content hacks.